Hey you guys, how's it going? I'm James from Nets Besties, and today I'm going to make a video on how to make my jerk sauce. Um, I'm a big fan of jerk sauce. The first time I tried jerk was 25 years ago in Florida. I went to a little mom and pop place and got me some jerk chicken, and it was one of the most incredible things I'd ever eaten at that point in my life. So ever since then, I've been kind of working on my own recipe and tweaking it a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys from start to finish how to make this jerk sauce. And jerk sauce has an interesting history. Um, it was started in the 1700s when a group of slaves escaped uh, the plantations in Jamaica and went and hid up in the mountains. And these guys started combining their cooking styles with the local ingredients, and then you have the birth of jerk sauce. Um, I'm fixing to jump right in and show you from start to finish how to get this done. So until the next step. Okay, moving forward, we're going to start assimilating the ingredients. First, we're going to start with 5 habanero peppers, seeded and cut up nice. Next, we're going to put in 2/3 cup of green onions, diced. Get those in there. After that, we're going to put 1/2 cup of brown sugar in here, like so. Next, it's one of the main ingredients of jerk sauce is allspice. So I'm putting a tablespoon of allspice in here. And then we are going to put a tablespoon of ground thyme in as well. Get that in there. Next, we're going to put 1/4 cup of olive oil. Next, we're going to put 6 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. After that, we are going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Get that in there. And next, we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. It's in there. And moving forward, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in here. After that, we're going to put in some salt. Everybody has their own salt preferences, so just put in whatever you feel comfortable with and whatever your taste desires. I put about this much in here, and I use coarse ground sea salt from Walmart. A lot of the stuff I use is great value products. You know, I'm a little frugal and I got to save money any way I can. So, what else do we have? Oh, a little bit of black pepper as well. I'm not going to put too much in there because there's already a lot of pepper in there. Well, lo and behold, my emulsifier is not working. So we're going to put the mixture into a blender. Just going to use a spatula and scoop all this stuff in the blender. Make sure you get everything out of there, as you don't want to miss out on any of those seasonings. Okay. So now we're going to go over here and blend it. Okay, that should be mixed up enough. Yeah, we're going to put this in a bowl so we can use it later on the pork tenderloin that I'm going to marinate this in. You know, get that spatula again and get as much of this stuff out of here as you can. And here you have a bowl of completed jerk sauce. Now, my recommendation is to marinate whatever you're going to cook with it for at least 2 hours, and then save some to baste it with while you're cooking. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to follow down below and like and subscribe so that I can bring you some more of these videos. I hope you guys have a pleasant evening and take care.